everyone. We're going to eat right now. Let's go.
You forgot say in Pattaya.
We already here in Pattaya, Thailand. And we just arrived here in our hotel. And maybe tomorrow we're gonna show our hotel.
I already take video
Yes,
hotel
but
room.
in outside.
Outside, okay. Breakfast here 250 baht.
So,
Georgi, did you been before in this hotel already?
Yes.
And you know location where I can buy foods? Okay, show way.
When I was here, it was
Yes, Sabay Wind.
was here.
Ага. Sabay Ди боди массаж. Very close from the road. This is one way. I know it's Chinese foods have also. Very close from Terminal 21. Shaira, you know Terminal 21. Very close. It's 10 meters or 10 minutes walk only. And we, yes, it's already. You can see Terminal 21. This is Soho town. Fish? How much is fish? 350 baht, 250, 200. This is small, 200 baht only. Small. Ага.
big tilapia.
It's not tilapia.
Tilapia.
Tilapia? Yes. Really? Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Ага. But in the Philippines it's small tilapia.
No, also tilapia big.
Okay.
But we sell only small.
Ага. Fruits here. Thai foods also. Chinatown. Chinese music. Chinese always if eat like this. I before live in China before, and always like this. Yes, Chinese restaurant. Also Chinese restaurant. Seafood restaurant. This is menu. Hey, in Russian language. Шарачи, in Russian language, Chinese language, Thai language, Chinese, Korean, English and Russian. Even here also in Russian language. In the Philippines you can see only Philippine English, Korean, only English, Korean. No Chinese sometimes.
Korean, Philippines, Filipino, and English.
But here have in Russian language because so many Russian people in Thailand. What you want, Georgi? We can order.
I want
What you want? We can share together if you want. We can
You need to buy two. Share inside.
two. Yes, two and can share together.
This one it's better.
Tom Kha Gai, yes.
You remember it?
Not spicy.
Not spicy.
But why chili here?
Can I ask? Spicy or not? No. Okay.
Ah,
This one-
labula. А, была. Okay, сиси.
Будем брать?
Okay, we can. Okay.
What labula? What is that?
Labula, it means spicy or not spicy in Chinese language.
Ah, okay.
Because we in Chinatown, we can speak in Chinese language here.
Okay.
Mumbai? Mumbai, it means you understand?
Нет.
Mumbai. Okay. Okay, Georgi, I also can try this where?
We tried that one already, Leon.
Where? In the Philippines?
Philippines, we tried already. So we try another one. Oh yeah, up to you.
Okay. We can share with Shaira because I not want nighttime eat. Yes, cool. If I want more, we can buy the same. Shaira, we already choose.
Up to you. So two like this.
Yes. Langa. Цигалянга. This is soup. Thai food. Shaira. What name Georgi is?
Tom Kha Gai.
Huh?
Tom Kha Gai.
Tom Kha Gai. Tom Kha Gai. Good, Georgi. Shaira will eat all because Leon not hungry. Yeah. Yes, I am not hungry. So Shaira will eat all. I don't want it. I want only water. But if I want it, maybe tomorrow, maybe because nighttime I don't want it. Now time 1 a.m. Local time in Thailand time. Shaira, let's go.
You not take this one?
No, I don't want. Already full. Now time 1:30 a.m. Shaira, now you full?
Yes, but I want coffee.
Maybe you said I want rice more.
Yes, rice.
And rice, I don't know. Want.
But the rice here is 20 baht, so it's total.
No, not about money. I ask him, do you want more eat? You just full. You know how many.
I eat soup so many
And rice.
Rice it's little bit, that's why. But
Ah, you
don't
need
eat
more rice. This is name Soho Town. Mango? Okay, we can
60
check.
baht.
How much mango here?
60 baht.
60 baht? No, it's big mango, yes. No, this is
2 kilo.
2 kilo 100. It's-
Okay.
Mhm.
For 100 baht, it's already like this, my piece.
I think one mango about
And they
half kilograms.
they can cut.
What do you think?
Not now. And another mango
Ah,
smaller.
smaller.
Mhm.
How much here? 40 baht 1 kilo.
40 baht. Mhm. Okay. Oh, good also. Need to buy this one. I like. Yes, before we go to hotel, we can buy.
Okay. And then what time you open?
Open. He open now.
Open only right now?
So many cats. Take a look, cats. Wait. Shaira, take a look. Thai cats. Play.
So cute.
Okay, let's go. Later we can buy. Later, Shaira, not now. This is
Apple, like,
It's not apple.
mix apple.
Or maybe the sour
Mhm.
side.
Before go to hotel, we can buy fruits, okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay, walk this way.
Because I remember we bought mango before here. It's so sweet and so cheap.
Uh-huh. Indian foods. And Thai and Russian foods also have. Georgi, take a look in Russian language. Russian food, Shaira.
Голубецкая капуста с курицей.
I don't know what is Golubetskaya. I not
Голубцы,
understand.
maybe.
Maybe.
Sabi, chicken. Аром Ди массаж. All building. Georgi, this is all building massage? This one. Or not? Oh, this is hotel.
Here was bar
But
before COVID.
before is bar.
Yes. But this massage is soapy massage.
The whole building is massage?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Yes, it's massage. Massage, bar. It's beer bar, money, beer bar. Drugstore also.
They repairing the road.
Mhm. Melody bar. Garbage truck. It's garbage truck. Hi. Garbage collector. It's so fast. Okay. Вот is Melodies bar. Melodies. Garbage collector, Shaira.
But I'm so scared.
About what? About what?
If you're alone here.
What I am there. Soy 3 cafe. Soy 3. Georgi, is Soy 3? If Soy 3 cafe name. Blue massage. Laundry also. How much? Oil massage 300 baht 1 hour.
Oh, you need oil massage. You
No,
can
I
do
not need oil massage.
If I can do it.
You can do for me, I know. Why? I not need. I just, Shaira, I show to our subscribers, you know. Some of don't know, that's why I show. This hotel. Ah, guest house. TJ guest house. TJ guest house.
But the Pattaya beach here is near, right?
Вот Pattaya.
Pattaya beach.
I?
Pattaya beach.
We going to Pattaya beach. We going to straight all the way and we can see Pattaya beach. That's why we going to
I've
Pattaya.
been here before, maybe 2 times already, but I not been in Pattaya beach.
You been in Pattaya beach? You not swim in Pattaya, in beach in Pattaya.
No, because I know that time is the repairing the Pattaya beach. Beach. No, the sea.
See,
Because
see.
beach, you can say beach, it means.
Okay, maybe YouTube not allowed.
That's why.
What you say? Oh, it's bars. Bar with girls. Bar with girls. Ah, it's big bar. Pen bar. So many bars inside. D bar. Byron bar. So many bars. Georgi, billiard for you. Billiard. Hi?
Small table.
Small table? Ah, you don't want with billiard. Okay. No, no. No, no, no. Shaira, help me. Shaira, help me. One guy want to take me to the bar.
Oh, you're so scared!
Yeah, I think this guy very big with clothes, woman clothes.
Oh, you're so scared.
Yes. Вот they do it. Street foods, street foods. Ага.
Ay, puta kami nakabot yung abnormal.
What you say in Tagalog?
He's this to me, and then what is this? I'm scared.
No, good dog, good.
Yes, it's good dog.
Yes. Mood Hotel. Ah, you have good mood today,
Good mood?
huh? Huh?
Yes.
No, good mood. Need to name Good Mood Hotel. Shaira, you can see already beach road. Beach road, ne Holiday Lodge.
Napunta.
You know how can do same.
Hello，
Hi, 你好.
这边你德行。
Understand?
Yes.
Same. Hello. Ah, wait from the party maybe.
They've been already.
No, away from the party. Yes, after party already.
Maybe from marijuana shop.
Marijuana shop? Not from the party. Georgi said marijuana shop.
They're not. They drink.
Why you maybe drink? You don't know.
Leon, if people use marijuana, you can see in their eyes and you can see.
Aha, you can see eyes if people
Yes,
walk.
I can see.
Uh-huh.
And even the eyes. What is this? The smell of their body.
Okay, better not smell, okay?
That.
But okay, let's go to the beach road. This one-way road. 40 kilometers can allow.
Tayo gonna
Better you walk with me. You want if someone again and I need say help me. No. Shaira, this is Pattaya beach. No, I talk about beach, about
Sea,
no
you
sea. No, I don't want go to the sand.
Why are you so scared? We have to move it better.
I don't want. Shaira, later. We can little bit walk. No, later you can see. Because it's the need to slippers, I don't want. Need to change slippers. Without slippers, I don't want. No, I don't want now. Because I have shoes.
But we don't not so many go to extreme.
Now, I think now not so many people swim here. Most of people say it's water is not clean here. That's why you cannot see people swim here. It's only they party, sit near the beach, with the beach here, but not swim. No, we can walk this, Georgi, better this side, not near road. They prepare maybe for festival, I don't know. Oh, ICBC Bank have Chinese bank. Okay, let's go, Shaira. You want sleep already?
I want coffee shop.
Coffee shop? Georgi also want coffee shop? Huh?
I think everything closed.
Maybe. Yes, maybe prepare for festival. Uh-huh. Georgi, so many bars. This is what name of street?